Hello everyone, welcome in to my new viewers and welcome back to my Serendipity Subbies. I'm Colleen and you're watching Colleen C to Serendipity. Today is August 31st, 2022 and I would like to bring you this day in history. Shortly after midnight on August 31st, 1997, Diane, Princess of Wales, affectionately known as the People's Princess, dies in a car crash in Paris. She was 36. Her boyfriend, the Egyptian-born socialite Dodi Fayed, and the driver of the car, Henry Paul, died as well. Princess Diane was one of the most popular public figures in the world. Her death was met with massive outpouring of grief. Mourners began visiting Kensington Palace immediately, leaving bouquets at home where the princess, also known as Lady Di, would never return. Piles of flowers reached some 30 feet from the palace's gate. Diane and Dodi had been vacationing in the French Riviera, arrived in Paris early the previous day. They left the Ritz Paris just after midnight, intending to go to Dodi's apartment on the Rue Arsenehussaye. As soon as they departed the motel, a swarm of paparazzi on motorcycles began aggressively tailing their car. About 3 minutes later, the driver lost control and crashed into a pillar in the entrance of the Pont d'Amel tunnel. Dodi and the driver were pronounced dead at the scene. Diane was taken to the PITIASPETRIERE hospital and declared dead at 6 p.m. A fourth passenger, Diane's bodyguard Trevor Rees Jones, was seriously injured but survived. Diane's former husband, Prince Charles, as well as her sisters and other members of the royal family, arrived in Paris that morning. Diane's body was then taken back to London. Like much of her life, her death was a full-blown media sensation and the subject of many conspiracy theories. At first, the paparazzi hounded the car were blamed for the crash, but later it was revealed that the driver was under the influence of alcohol and prescription drugs. A formal investigation concluded the paparazzi did not cause a collision. Diane's funeral in London on September 6th was watched by over 2 million people. She was survived by her two sons, Prince William, who was 15 at the time, and Prince Harry, who was 12. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and would you give it a thumbs up and comment down below? And would you think about subscribing to my channel? I have history videos every day. I have vlogging with families. I have Taste It Tuesdays. I have I go live every Saturday night at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I just want you all to be blessed. And remember to smile, because I love you, but more importantly, God loves you. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.